Hi guys! Today is our last day dito sa Hong Kong. Kaya naman, as a last push of energy natin, I decided to do a shopping haul para sa atin lahat, no? Para makita natin kung ano-ano man ang mga pinamili natin sa Hong Kong, pinamili namin, at saan kayo dapat pumunta para sa sarili nyong shopping haul pag pumunta kayo dito sa Hong Kong. So, at first hindi ko nga alam kung paano natin siya sisimulan, no? Pero I believe magsimula muna tayo doon sa favorite ko and I feel like this place is really worth it to go to. So, first of all is Mongkok Street, guys. I believe pag pupunta kayo sa Mongkok, it is one of the best places to go para sa best shopping experience. Parang binondo din siya ng Pilipinas. And why is that? First of all, yung mga items dito, no, although makikita siya sa Shopee, Lazada, actually, totoo nga yung sinabi nila, as long as magaling ka mag-bargain, or actually ako lang pala nag-iisip nun, as long as magaling ka mag-bargain, alam mo yung mga patakaran on how to bargain, makakahanap ka din ng good finds and sometimes even better than Shopee. Although guys ha, I want to note, let's patronize the Shopee app because it is very good and syempre, kailangan din nila mag-earn. But since nasa Hong Kong na din kayo, let's do the experience and check out Mongkok Street. So, ano nga ba yung nabili ko doon? First of all is this super cute na refrigerator magnet. Look at that. Super cute, guys. So, nandito yung tram, nandito yung bus, and then, nandito makikita yung mga Nathan Road, Lan Kwai Fong, The Peak, Tsim Sha Tsui, Mongkok, Causeway Central. I think napuntahan ko yung lahat except for this Lan Kwai Fong, no? So, ayan, all of this is a memorable experience. And minsan, pag nasa refrigerator, I would like to remember the happening there, no? So, magkano nga to nabili? This one is at 20 Hong Kong dollars. And if umalis ka from Mongkok, they're selling this for around 30 Hong Kong dollars, no? So, this one is a good find, although actually cheaper siya pag 5 binili mo or more. But for me, okay na tong isang piraso. Ayan. So, 20 Hong Kong dollars for one piece. Yan. Next up, I wanted to show you naman, nako guys, this is sa Mongkok din ha, and this is a very important experience. So, please take note on what are the items and paano ba mag-bargain sa Mongkok, guys. So, ganito tayo. Nung papunta kami, meron kaming gusto na bag. Tapos, sabi ni Tauke ng boss, sabi niya, I give you 5 for 100. Kasi doon sa store niya, nakasulat 4 for 100. Pero binibigay niya sana sa amin 5 for 100. Eh, hindi pa rin kami na-motivate. Sumisigaw na siya. Sabi niya, 7 for 100. Pero hindi pa rin kami napakali. So, ang sabi niya, 9 for 100. Ay, alam niyo ano nangyari? Naglakad-lakad-lakad pa rin kami until nga mahanap namin 'tong magnet na yun talaga yung pinagpuntahan ko doon to find a magnet. Pero yun pala guys, sobrang mura na ng pagbigay niya nung 9 for 100 because alam mo how much ang 100 Hong Kong dollars for 9? That's around 88 pesos guys for a bag. Eh, nung pagbalik namin, sabi namin, baka pwede niyong ibalik ulit yung 9 for 100. Ayaw na niya guys, ayaw na ni Tauke, ayaw na ni boss. Kasi daw, umalis na nag-walk out na kami. So, ang presyo na binibigay na lang niya is 7 for 100. Pero na-disappoint kami. So, umalis muna kami doon. Tapos, hindi namin siya matanggal sa isip namin. So, bumalik na lang kami guys, bumalik kami at kinuha ulit yung 7 for 100. Thankful naman kami pumayag siya because guys, itong mga bags na 'to, oh, look at this, so cute. Itong mga bags na 'to guys 'no, they Philippine pesos is around 114 Philippine pesos, pero sa Shopee mahahanap siya for around 125 pesos. Puwede na din, not a big difference. Siyempre binuhat pa namin 'to. So, ayun, it's just a good experience to discover kasi siyempre hindi din naman natin siya hahanapin sa Shopee kung hindi natin siya nakita sa Mongkok. So, these are super cute guys, take a look at that. Tsaka sabi ni Tauke, yung quality nito mas maganda kaysa sa competitors niya in the Mongkok Street. Yan ang sabi niya, no? So, we got 7 of these cute ones. Look at this. The rabbit. And then another rabbit na blue naman. And then this one na nice. Yan. And then, I like this also, this teddy bear, no? I find it super cute. So, that is the experience pagdating doon sa mga bags na lady, no? My super special tip for you is to make sure na pag nagbigay na sa'yo ng bargain price yung salesperson, no? Tapos more than times 2 na siya, meaning more than 50% off na yung binibigay niya sa'yo na price or parang at least times 2 items na yung makukuha niyo. Wag na kayong mag-isip guys, as long as gusto mo yung item, go, 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 kunin niyo na siya because minsan the opportunity will never come back in that moment and baka ayaw na niya ibigay sa inyo, no? So, it's best to already get it at that time. Yon. So, at least times 2 ang price, go, 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 good na siya because, again, these bags were 4 for 100 sa poster niya, pero sabi niya 9 for 100 ibibigay niya. Hindi namin nakuha because sadly we walked away. So we got it for 7 pieces for 100 Hong Kong dollars. Pwede na din, minsan ayaw din natin na masyadong mag-bargain down. Siyempre, let's realize also na people have to make money, di ba? Plus, guys, check this out, no? This one naman came from the same shop as the bags. And I got this scarf for 60 Hong Kong dollars. Actually, binibenta niya to for 120 Hong Kong dollars. So, yun ang bargain price, guys. Kapag binigay nila sa'yo for um, less, for at least half the price, medyo okay-okay ka na, no? Take it na po, no? Na ganun yung presyo, kunin nyo na siya because that is a good price na din. Yeah, if at least half the price, no? Next up, may sales shop naman. Ibang location na to, guys, ha. Move on na tayo to another location. This one naman is yung sa, ano siya, yung parang sa Causeway Bay, yung mga daan lang sa mga road, shopways, ganon. Biglang pa-close na sila, wala nang mga shops down. Kaso may nakita akong scarf. Medyo maganda naman siya, guys. Malambot siya, very malambot. So, I got this one naman for 40 Hong Kong dollars. Yon. Actually, sabi niya, bargain price na daw to because binibentan daw niya for 59 Hong Kong dollars but she gave it for 40 Hong Kong dollars. Hindi na kami nag-bargain pa, yun na talaga mismo sinabi niya. Because sabi niya, special price daw, special price. So actually, on hindsight, medyo maiksi siya. Tingnan nyo, yung width niya, width is medyo maiksi. Pero, okay na din guys, minsan supportahan din natin yung mga local suppliers, di ba? Tsaka yung mga local people na nagbebenta. So, yun, even though this isn't the cheapest thing out there. The quality naman, the softness is good enough. Sometimes, kulang yung pagkainit niya sa weather because maliit lang nga siya. But, ayun, support natin yung local, local sales supply nila. So, yun, I got this for 40 Hong Kong dollars. Next up naman, I want to show you a Giordano Fine, guys. So, pag pumunta kayo sa Hong Kong, another place to go is sa Giordano. We checked out Giordano, ladies, but at this time, there wasn't anything that was good to get there, in my opinion, na masyadong mahal yung mga items. So, pagbaba namin doon sa, I think, Nathan Road, if I'm not mistaken, we saw this super good na jacket, down jacket. Actually, this one is for kids, age 13, age 12 to 13 years old. Pero, guys, sobrang cute niya on me. I find it super cute. Yung available actually sa kanya is the gray one. Kaso yung gray, wala nang size for people na ka-size ko, no? So, ang available na lang is this pink one. And I feel I can roll with it because tingnan mo, aside from the hood, meron din siya this soft liner sa loob. So, that's very helpful naman. And then, meron din siyang pocket. So, that's an additional bonus. Aside from the zipper, it also has buttons. So, this one, instead of 690 Hong Kong dollars, on super sale siya for 299 Hong Kong dollars. So, okay na din, guys. It is a good bargain for me. Ayun. Hindi naman tayo everyday na bumibili ng ganitong klaseng presyo. So, okay na naman yung outfit na to. Yun. Tada! Moving forward, guys, second to the last but not the last are these two na shoes. This one is heels coming from Sogo, the Sogo Mall in Causeway Bay. And this one is Comodita. Actually, wala naman talaga kami dapat bibilhin doon. Kaso lang, napaka-accommodating ng sales lady and sobrang sobrang bait na ang dami niyang kinukuha na items, hindi siya nagagalit, no? So, that was a very good, parang nakakahiya, no? But at the same time, okay din naman yung shoes, no? So, Comodita. And then, this one, ang original price niya is at 1,190 Hong Kong dollars. But I got this one for 699 Hong Kong dollars. Yon. So, this is the shoe. I need this kasi for work for every time na pumapasok sa office. Maganda tong shoe kunin, no? So, this is it, guys, for 699 Hong Kong dollars. And, guys, mind you ha, this is leather. I think it says made in Italy. Tapos, yeah, maganda yung quality niya, guys. So, this is the 690 Hong Kong dollars na shoes. Next up is this other shoe naman from SWAT. SWAT. And then, naman siya, flats, guys. For the same price then, ito naman yung itsura niya. Yun. And then, if you buy these two shoes, merong this additional discount. So, the discount here is 100 Hong Kong dollars off. So, instead of 699 per shoe, naging 649 Hong Kong dollars per shoe. Yon. I know it's not the cheapest thing out there in the world, pero sometimes for quality, medyo kailangan din natin mag-spend. So, yan. Ito po yung shoe natin na nakuha. Next topic naman that we have last but not the least, guys, is sa ano yung pasalubong na dapat bibilhin. Actually, sa Hong Kong, wala na tayong masyadong maisip on what is the best place to go to for mga pasalubong. So, wala na tayong ibang lugar na pupuntahan pa except for Bichanghyang. Actually, right now, walang masyadong super sale na ginaganap. So, ano yung binili natin? This one is for a bargain price. Bichanghyang na chicken sausages. Ayun. So, these are the different items na pwede natin ma-offer, pwede natin mabili kapag nandito tayo sa Hong Kong. There you go, guys. This is my shopping haul here in Hong Kong. I hope you enjoyed that video, and please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and this channel, Only Travel PH. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.